Hello, welcome back to my channel. It's been a while since I've posted anything remotely like this. I have been doing a little bit of shopping and decided to get some Sephora things, and started getting back into wearing perfume again and all of that. So got a little bit of perfume. I did get a lip tint, lip oil is what they're calling it now, a little bit different, and then also this really cute like set for vacation travel, so that was really cute. But I'll start out with the perfumes. So I got like a little Versace set, and it's little mini perfumes. They're really, really cute. I'll show them to you right now. Like, they're the cutest little bottles. Also just realized I matched my outfit, but so the first one is Turquoise, which to me like really reminded me of some perfume that I already own. So I don't know if I would get a full size of this one myself, but it does smell really good. It's in this little bottle. And yeah, it definitely doesn't smell exactly like one that I have. Like, it's not like a dupe or like a duplicate, but like it's very similar to Light Blue, like somewhere in between like Light Blue and Acqua di Gio by Giorgio Armani. I could also be like scent challenged, but it just seemed like very, very similar to those that I already have. So I don't know if I'll get the full size, but it does smell really good. Just very close to ones that I already have. And this one is Bright Crystal. So it looks like this, a really cute little bottle. And this one, it's very like floral, pretty much just floral, but like a nice like clean floral. Like, it's not overly, and it doesn't smell like your grandma or anything like that. So love that. That one I would probably get in a full size once I'm in the market for that. Okay, so next, I got this Kosas Wet Lip Oil is what it's called. It is a plumping treatment gloss. I saw that lip oils were like kind of the trend, and TBH, I don't have anything remotely close to this. I have like lip gloss type of lipsticks, but not in oil, so I wanted to try that, and I do really like Kosas. I have their foundation, their I would like on the word concealer, and also their highlighter, which I don't have their foundation on right now, but I do have their highlighter on, and their concealer, which I feel like does a pretty good job. I have another lipstick on, but I actually haven't used the lip oil yet, so oh no, here we go. It actually, like, the color fits pretty well to the color that I already had on, so that's cool. I know that it's not as like opaque as what a lipstick would be, but I definitely want to try it without anything else underneath it. But it smells really good from what I can tell, and it seems very moisturizing because of the oil, and I like that. I've had with like a lot of matte lipsticks, just my lip drying out a lot, and I know a lot of other people have that experience with certain matte ones, so that's good. Okay, moving on. this little set because I knew that I would be going on vacation at some point this summer. And this is the Bum Bum Summer Jet Set. It is Brazilian Crush, I don't know how to say that word, Curosa, 62 hair and body fragrance mist. So I guess you could put it in your hair, spritz, and your body. Also the Brazilian Foreplay Moisturizing Shower Cream Gel and the Brazilian Bum Bum Cream. I'm pretty sure that the Bum Bum Cream goes on with your bum bum. And it's supposed to, I think, kind of like, I'm blanking on the words. It's late. It's actually like 1 in the morning right now as I'm recording. So, yeah. It doesn't exactly say on the container. Okay, helps visibly tighten the experience of skin. So it tightens, which is, the word I was looking for, but of course it wasn't coming to my mind. I actually already have a smaller size of this, which I haven't used that much, because I haven't really had to use that on my butt, but, yeah, I mean, it smells really good, so I guess I should be using it. But now I have a bigger size, so I'll use the small one. I like to use it at the beach. I feel like it just has a very like beachy scent, and I'm not always at the beach, so. Okay, so then this is the shower gel. It looks like this. And I don't know how that, okay, so it's like a little, you just like open it here at the top. I'm like challenged with my fake nails. And then it's pistachio and salted caramel spray. That sounds like it's gonna smell really good. I mean, maybe that's just how they make everything smell, because it's just kind of like the smell of their products, but I also think that smells really good. Yeah, I would wear this every day at the beach. Absolutely 10 out of 10. I'm really glad I got this one. It was in my shopping cart for like 4 months. And I was like, I don't really need it. But here I am. Okay. So last but not least, this is the Sephora Favorites Summer Perfume Sampler. So, you may already know this, but Sephora does these kind of like Sephora favorite boxes, and the fragrance ones usually come with like mini versions of the perfume, and then you buy that set, get the samples, and then you can buy a full-size one with a voucher that comes in here. There's other sets that they make, like I've gotten ones that are like all mascara. You try out all the mascaras, and then you go exchange it for a full-size mascara. Which, speaking of which, I need to do that. It's been a while. I actually used to spend all of my money on makeup in college, and in high school. And I actually have a backlog of makeup because I bought so much when I was in college and high school. So, I mean, I've been buying some stuff here and there, but makeup I'm like pretty much like all good on. So that's pretty much why I haven't gone and gotten and cashed in my mascara voucher. But anyways, yeah, and they have other things too, just like sets of like all like summer type of things, all skincare, just like general makeup fan favorite kind of stuff. But this one is all just summer fragrances. So you can see we have several different types of perfumes here. This is actually a candle. It says it's a bonus. I feel like that's a marketing ploy, but you get a bonus candle. There's different ones here. So this one is Missing Persons by, what is the name of that one? PHLUR. PHLUR. I'm assuming that's how it's spelled. And that scent family is warm and spicy. Then this one is a Versace one. It's called Dylan Purple. And that scent family is floral. Okay. And then the little bonus there, it's a French Cade lavender tiny tin. And it has coconut wax, and then the fragrance and natural wicks. To be honest, it, like, lavender to me smells a lot different, but this is French lavender, so it's, and I honestly don't know what Cade is, but French lavender could be completely different, and since there's a coconut wax, I'm sure it's going to smell like a bit coconutty too, so it's probably also playing in. Okay, so this one here, that's the Clean Reserve. The scent family is warm and spicy. To me, so like, the name of it is called Clean, and it does smell like very clean. Not like clean skin exactly, but like, I don't know. It's just like a little vanilla-y to me. It says warm and spicy, so I guess to me I get vanilla from that. And I wore it the other day, so like I feel like I have a pretty good idea of that one. Then we have Gucci, the Flora Gorgeous Gardenia. I've only worn a couple, but I feel like I might be exchanging for that one. It smells really, really good, and I also really like Gucci, so what can I say? It's also one of the most expensive ones. I did read reviews on this set, and they were saying to try to cash in your voucher as soon as you could, or like, even some people were saying like do it like when you're on the spot, like buying the set, because you never know if they're gonna run out of the one that you want. So I'm definitely gonna like test out all of these and then like make a decision basically. Okay, so then we also have Nest New York, and this one is Balinese coconut. Never been to Bali, but I want to. And the coconut perfume smells amazing. I'm sure Bali doesn't just smell like coconuts, but amazing and great summer perfume. I mean, if you don't like coconuts, then you probably won't like it, but if you don't like coconuts, don't get it. Alright, then we have Daisy here. Daisy is definitely one of my favorite scents. I actually have the full size of this. It's perfumed by Marc Jacobs. And it, the scent family is like very floral. That's pretty much just like all it is. But it smells really good and pretty like fresh and clean too. It's not too overpowering, and again, it doesn't just smell like your grandma that like walked out of like the 1950s like church. It smells pretty good. So the thing that I like a lot about these types of sets is that since it does come with the samples, you can try them ahead of time, because you can absolutely go into a store and spray your perfume on one of the perfume spraying papers and stuff and like take it with you. But it does, like, perfume is so like individual, so because we all have a different smell as people. We all have like different smells, you know, like you walk into someone's house and you know it smells a certain way. Like, we all have that scent on us and we're not really aware of it, but other people are. But either way, you smell something on a piece of paper versus you smelling that on yourself is going to smell different. And it takes 10 to 15 minutes for it to actually kind of like fully assimilate with your body scent. So that's where like stuff like this and the little samples that come with it come in really handy, because then you can kind of test them all out ahead of just buying a full size of it and then finding out that you don't like it, because that would suck. Because perfume is not cheap. So I'm really looking forward to trying the other perfumes in this box and getting a full size. I will definitely keep you posted on which one I decide to go with. So yeah. Now that's like pretty much all I have. I mean, I got like some samples. Just like shampoo and conditioner from Verb. I'll try that. This is just sunscreen. I thought with it being June and summer, always wear sunscreen. Like, yeah, just try to wear it every day. And then this is just like some cream from Cade. I honestly don't know if I'm saying that right, but it basically is just the cream. And it has 0 parabens, phthalate, PG, silicones. It's vegan. Sounds good. It's made in France. So, fun fact, products that are made in France can have like, and also all of Europe too, but especially France, like they have very specific guidelines for what type of ingredients can be put into their products. So pretty much all products that are made in France are like super clean, and not very like chemically, if that makes sense. At least that's what I've heard from some talks and stuff that I've listened to online. But anyways, that was my little unboxing for my Sephora order, and yep, I'll keep you posted on how I like everything.